Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 on Chromebook. Chromebooks are not designed for high-end gaming, but cloud streaming services make it entirely possible to enjoy this epic title. You will need a reliable internet connection and a compatible controller to get started. We will explore the best services and setup tips to ensure you have a fantastic gaming experience, bringing the Wild West to your portable device. Several excellent cloud gaming services can bring Red Dead Redemption 2 to your Chromebook. NVIDIA GeForce Now lets you stream games you already own from platforms like Steam or Epic Games. Xbox Cloud Gaming, part of Game Pass Ultimate, offers a vast library, while Amazon Luna provides its own selection of titles. Choose the service that best fits your game library and subscription preferences for seamless play. Setting up your Chromebook for cloud gaming is straightforward. First, verify your internet speed is at least 25 megabits per second for a smooth experience. Connecting to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, or, even better, using an Ethernet cable will provide the most stable connection. Finally, pair a comfortable Bluetooth or USB controller, as keyboard and mouse controls are often less ideal for this type of game. To get the best Red Dead Redemption 2 experience, optimize your setup. Close any extra browser tabs or applications to dedicate resources to the game stream. Experiment with in-game graphics settings. Sometimes a slightly lower preset yields much smoother performance. Playing closer to your Wi-Fi router or using a wired connection can significantly reduce lag. For the ultimate quality, consider a premium subscription tier if your chosen service offers one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.